I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I find the radio.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. What's up? I'm your girl Ali. Please take a moment to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new vid. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So today's video, as you guys can see, is going to be my updated nightly hair care routine. A lot of you guys have been wanting to know what I've been doing differently in order to take care of my hair every night. How do I get this bomb and luscious looking twist out, as well as what I've been doing in order to get my hair to grow. Now, as far as the growth, I can honestly say that that has just been happening on its own. I'm actually in need of a trim, but that's gonna happen hopefully sometime next week because I am overdue for a trim. I usually get my hair trimmed every 8 months to a year. So I'm dying for a trim, but in this video you'll be able to see all the products that I'm currently using in order to achieve this style, and also what I do every night or every other night. My nightly hair care routine is just pretty much to make sure that my hair is moisturized and so on and so forth. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve all of that, then please stay tuned and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, so starting off on super dry hair. This is usually what my hair looks like when I'm about to style it every night. So of course it's time for me to show you guys what a girl does. So removing my hair tie, this is pretty much how crusty my hair is, and this is probably about 2 to 3 days of wear and tear with the twist out. So by the time I get home and the girl is tired, I usually just part my hair into 2 sections. Whenever I do this style, I only work with 2 sections. It's just easier for me, and it's also faster because my point is to make sure that I'm in bed early enough to get as much sleep as possible. So this is what works for me. So I've already split my hair into 2 sections, and now I'm just grabbing that first section and securing it with a hair tie. And once I've gone ahead and done that, I'm ready to work on my first section. So I'm going in with my Proclaim Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curl Refresher Spray. You guys have seen me use this plenty of times before, and I just find it to be the best product to use at night because it's super lightweight and it also helps keep my hair damp but not too damp. I want to make sure that my hair isn't soaking so that there's plenty of time for it to air dry and be completely dry in the morning. So that's why I prefer using this one, and I just work it in with my hands thoroughly, do a bit of finger detangling, and continue working it throughout my hair. Here I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb in order to make sure that I get rid of any kinks or knots that may have been in there and just detangle my life away before applying my products. I then go in with my Camille Rose Natural Cacao Nibs and Honey Oil. I really like this oil. It smells super bomb, and I feel like it's the secret ingredient to my increased hair growth. This is infused with cacao nibs, honey, as well as amla oil. And if you guys are already familiar with amla, then you know that it definitely helps with increased hair growth. So I just love doing my scalp massages for about 3 to 5 minutes prior to styling, and then whatever product remains, I usually just work that down on my hair shaft. Then going in with my own Mielle Organics Twisting Souffle. This is a cream product of thicker consistency that I absolutely love, and this is what helps ensure that my hair is not only buttery soft but also really moisturized, because my hair can get pretty dry and it's been super dry this winter. So this has really been the main product of choice that I've been using to help make sure that my ends and everything is in check, as well as my oils. And as you can see, I'm working that in thoroughly. And the last product is my Organic Virgin Coconut Oil by Spectrum. I make sure to focus this mainly on my ends, as well as work it up towards my hair shaft. Not too much towards my scalp, just because I've already applied that Cacao Nibs and Honey Oil by Camille Rose Naturals. And then if need be, I will detangle a bit more before I begin to do my flat twist. So once I'm completely done flat twisting that section, this is pretty much what I'm left with. You can already see that moisture and shine peeking through, which is why I absolutely love doing this. It's just super bomb and super simple. And now I'm just repeating the same exact steps to that second section. Now, to give you a bit more of a breakdown as to why I enjoy doing this particular nightly hair care routine, it's because with my hair getting longer, it's just easier and quicker for me. So my main objective is to not only ensure that my hair is moisturized and that it has balm products that will help make sure that it is moisturized as well as defined, but to also just have my hair ready to go in the morning. So this just helps me kill two birds with one stone, and it's also just really simple. It's 2 large flat twists and a girl can knock out and get as much sleep as necessary. And once I tie down my scarf and my satin bonnet, I'm pretty much good to go. But I love using these products in conjunction with each other just because I feel that they've done the best job at maintaining my hair super soft and moisturized, especially the Camille Rose and Cacao Nibs and Honey oil. I find that that has done wonders for my hair as well as my scalp. And I also like to apply it on my ends sometimes when my ends are acting a little too cray. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used that product before, because I just ran across it and I thought, why not? So yeah, I mean, it's just super simple and quick and it gets the job done. Alright y'all, so once I'm done, this is pretty much what I'm left with. Is just my 2 large flat twists for the night. And as mentioned before, I just tie my satin scarf as well as my satin bonnet to make sure that my hair is in check. And if you do decide to do this, you can even just leave the twists as they are, remove your perm rods, and you're good to go. And it'll also double up as a really cute style. So for the sake of time, I did sit under the dryer just to give you guys a peek as to what my hair will look like every morning or every other morning whenever I do this. So I just remove my perm rods and you can already see that shine has settled in. And then going in with that virgin coconut oil, I just apply that to my ends and also to help avoid frizz, and I'm ready to take those twists down. So once I've finished up, now it's time to go in with my trusty pick, and I just pick at my roots and fluff my hair as much as possible to get the most volume ever, because I absolutely love when my hair looks like this. It's just really big and luscious, and anyone would think that they're like wand curls or, you know, you use some type of tool, but I'm sure they'll be shocked once you're just like, these were just 2 flat twists. So that's another thing that I love about this. It just creates the illusion that you use some sort of tool. But yeah, once I'm pretty much done, I just go into fluffing and shaping my hair the way that I want it to. But yeah, this is pretty much what my nightly hair care routine consists of, and this is what my hair turns out like once I'm done. So I hope this answered plenty of your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below if you will be giving it a try, if you will be doing a simple braid out, if it's that's easier for you. But yeah, this is what works for me. I hope you guys will be giving it a try, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you mucho. Bye.